Welcome to this stunning brand new 4-bedroom home featuring 2.5 bathrooms and a versatile den, perfect as a home office, playroom, or whatever you imagine. Step inside to a spacious foyer that immediately feels warm and inviting. The kitchen is a true showpiece with Amish-crafted cabinets with soft-closed doors and drawers, a generously sized pantry with custom shelving, and a quartz-topped island that's perfect for cooking and entertaining. The open floor plan is designed for connection, making it easy to host family and friends, while a custom fireplace adds cozy charm during chilly winter nights. Upstairs, you'll find all the bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet for plenty of storage. Additional features include Anderson windows, elegant lighting fixtures, custom closet shelving, and a covered back patio. Located in the highly sought-after Northwest Allen County School District and just minutes from Puffer Belly Trail, shopping and dining, this home combines comfort, style, and convenience in one package. Don't wait. Make this home yours. Call Amy Snyder today.